The Bourg BB3001 is the latest generation single clamp perfect binder. It has the ability to perfect bind as few as 2 sheets of paper, up to documents 1 3/4 inch. It is shown here in line with the Challenge 330 3-face trim cutter. The BB3001 cycles at up to 500 documents per hour, utilizing a dual cylinder system. This dual cylinder system ensures that once the milling or scoring is done, there is commercial grade adhesive penetration. The BB3001 then utilizes a vacuum cover feeder to automatically apply a cover and transfer the books into the Challenge 330 3-face trim cutter. To ensure operator safety, the Bourg BB3001 binder and Challenge 330 cutter has a unique shielded design. The system features simplistic but full-function control panels. You can program where the cover is to be placed, whether it's going to have a front registration, a center registration, or a rear registration, and where the adhesive will start and stop on the spine of the document. The menu-driven display allows the operator to easily select various modes of operation. The BB3001 will function strictly as a perfect binder, or it can be configured to produce pads with either automatic pad ejection and stacking or manual pad removal. The BB3001 clamp station has a bi-directional jogging system, and the control panel allows the operator to place the unit in automatic jog mode. The next control adjusts and memorizes the width of the clamp opening. When a document is placed into the Bourg BB3001 and is jogged, the system remembers the thickness of the document. When the clamp returns to the start position, instead of opening up to the full 1 3/4 inches, it opens 10 to 20 millimeters wider than the document, so that insertion and clamping of the next document is quick and easy, increasing productivity. The last feature of the control panel is the speed optimization mode. Since the Bourg BB3001 memorizes the thickness of the document, it predetermines how fast or slow it should send the document over the milling station. The thicker the document, the slower you want the document to pass through the milling station to avoid tearing and to ensure quality. This unique control ensures the Bourg BB3001 achieves top speeds, maximizing productivity and document quality. The BB3001 can produce 350 1 3/4 inch documents in an hour and achieve speeds of up to 500 documents an hour when creating 1/4 inch documents. In addition to the control panel, the BB3001 features other user-friendly adjustments. Milling depth is adjusted by turning this hand wheel. An adjustable thermostat provides maximum performance by changing the temperature of the glue, allowing the use of various types of adhesives. To increase efficiency, the Bourg BB3001 allows the operator to load adhesive while running. The operator doesn't have to wait until the reservoir runs empty. They simply lift the adhesive station cover and add the adhesive into the unit. There is also an adjustment to vary the amount of the adhesive, depending on the type of document being run. Padding requires less adhesive, so the operator would turn the level down, while perfect binding requires more adhesive, so the operator would increase the level once again. Another feature of the Bourg BB3001 Perfect Binder is the 24-hour calendar timer. If the binder takes a half hour to heat up in the morning, rather than losing production, you can program the binder to turn on a half hour before production time. So when the operator walks in the door, it is already in a standby mode. Once in the standby mode, it only takes 5 to 8 minutes to achieve operating temperature. On Friday afternoon, you can have it shut down and then turn on Monday morning, maximizing plant efficiency and profitability. A unique feature of the Bourg BB3001 is that all the adjustments in the cover feeder are toolless in design. It's a quick, easy, simple setup. The operator utilizes magnets by placing them around the document to direct it to the right-hand corner. So regardless of book size, everything registers to the right-hand side. By using the unit's neural knobs and magnets, the operator can change from one size book to another without any tools being required. The Bourg BB3001 can be set up in line with the Challenge 333 face trimmer. Once the document is perfect bound, it travels by conveyor away from the binder and into a cooling station. The document is then cooled and transported into the three-face trimmer. The three-face trimmer has a cycle rate speed of approximately 400 documents per hour and is fully programmable. The operator can be doing a 5.5 by 8.5 job and then switch over to an 8.5 by 11 job in minutes. The system will memorize up to 30 different jobs in its programmable memory. The Bourg BB3001 Perfect Binder and Challenge 333 Face Trim Cutter, a winning combination to help your company create quality documents while increasing production and productivity.